else we need to talk about right now is going to be about what. What in Spanish is que, right? Que. But then there's an instance where it's something else, and we have to talk about that. And that instance is when we say, what is something, right? So we're going to think in English for a minute here, okay? In English, if I say, for example, what is friendship, right? If I say, what is friendship? In English, I can ask that question, right? If I ask any of you, what is friendship? But then I ask you to rephrase the question and replace what is with something else, you would say, what could you use instead of what is? No, in English, I say we're going to stay in English for a bit.
What does it mean?
Friendship is.
Okay, right. Friendship is one, but if I need more words.
What does friendship
Explain.
mean?
Okay, you could say explain friendship, or you could say what does friendship mean, right? Because what is friendship means define or explain the concept of friendship, right? If I say what is love, right? Then again, it's define or explain the concept of love, right? Because what is in English can mean define or explain the concept of, right? Now, if I say, what is your address? Does that mean define or explain the concept of your address? What does it mean now?
Tell me your address.
Tell me your address. Tell us your address. Say your address. State your address. See, in English, what is, when used in a question, sometimes it means define or explain the concept of whatever noun it comes afterwards, or sometimes it means say or state this. Say or state this, or tell me or tell us this. Right? So that's clear, right? In English, sometimes it's going to mean define or explain the concept of, and sometimes it's going to be say or state or tell me or tell us. In Spanish, when what is means define or explain the concept of, we say que es. Que es, which is the same as what does it mean. Que es. And when we mean say or state or tell me or tell us, then we say cuál es. Cuál es. Okay, two words, cuál and es. And that's what this happens, or this is what we're explaining on page 31. Okay? Define or explain the concept of, and there's a typo there. We say que es, indicate, state, tell me or tell us, we say cuál es. ¿Correcto? ¿Cómo se dice the word name? The name.
El nombre.
El nombre. ¿Cómo se dice what is your name?
¿Cuál es tu nombre?
¿Cuál es tu nombre? Right? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Tell me your name, say your name, state your name. ¿Cómo se dice last name?
Apellido.
Last name is apellido. What is your last name?
¿Cuál es tu apellido?
¿Cuál es tu apellido? And if you're speaking to me formally, how would you say what is your last name?
¿Cuál es su
¿Cuál está?
¿Cuál es? Doesn't change.
No.
de usted?
¿Cuál es su? Su. Formal your is su, right? What is going to be either ¿qué es or cuál es? So the es part is not going to change, right? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu apellido? Right? If I refer to the person I'm speaking to familiarly, ¿cuál es su nombre? ¿Cuál es su apellido? If I refer to you formally, right? Address, ¿cómo se dice the address?
Dirección.
La dirección. ¿Cómo se dice the address?
La dirección.
La dirección. What is your address? ¿Cuál es tu dirección? Correcto. ¿Cuál es tu dirección? What is your friend's address?
¿Cuál es la dirección de tu amigo?
¿Cuál es la dirección de tu amigo? What is your friend's address if I refer to you formally? ¿Cuál es la dirección de su amigo? What is the address of your friend? That formal your is going to be su. ¿Cuál es la dirección de su amigo? ¿Correcto? Phone number, ¿cómo se dice phone number? You say teléfono, right? Actually, in Spanish, when you use teléfono by itself, it implies it's the phone number. So we're going to use that one. What is your phone number?
¿Cuál es tu teléfono?
¿Cuál es tu teléfono? Correcto. The longer version for phone number would be the number of telephone, which is
Número de teléfono.
el número de teléfono, right? The longer version is el número de teléfono. What is your phone number with a longer version, you would say?
¿Cuál es el número de tu teléfono?
¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? Correcto. What is your father's name?
¿El nombre de tu padre?
Correcto. ¿Cuál es el nombre de tu padre? ¿Cuál es el nombre, right? Because your father's name, right? Because of that possessive thing, you would say the name of your father. So what is your father's name, you would say?
¿Cuál es el nombre de tu padre?
¿Cuál es el nombre de tu padre? What's your mother's name?
¿Cuál es el nombre de tu madre?
¿Cuál es el nombre de tu madre? ¿Correcto? ¿Cuál es el nombre de tu madre? Muy bien. Okay, so then you can do the rest of these exercises with what is. What is a big thing. A lot of people struggle with that. Just remember, if what is means just stay or state or tell me or tell us, then you say cuál es.